What's up guys, today I'm here with my friend Max and we're going to show you how to do a perfect handstand in less than 5 minutes. So if you want to learn, just keep watching. Alright, so the first step to doing a handstand well without it hurting in the long run is to stretch out your wrists a little bit and your arms. So just kneel on the ground just like this, and what you're going to do is just stretch them out. Rock side to side, back and forth, forward, backward, turn them over. Alright, now that your wrists are all stretched out, we can get started. So for a handstand, you do have to hold yourself up in the air for at least a few seconds. So it's good to have a little bit of strength in your arms. If this is your first time ever trying a handstand and you don't work out or anything like that, you should start with some push-ups, just to make sure that you have a little bit of strength. And then once you do that, we can get going. So before we start, you gotta have some sort of protection. This way, if you fall, you're not gonna die.
It's okay.
Alright, so what you're gonna do to start, get yourself ready to do handstand, is after you have your pillows or whatever you're gonna use to kind of guide yourself if you fall, you're going to, I have my assistant here, Maximus, and you're going to put your hands on the ground and then walk your feet up the wall as high as you can go. And then see how his hands are really far from the wall. You want to slowly walk your hands more closer to the wall. This is where it gets hard, so if you fall, that's normal. And then eventually you want to have it so your hands, just like that, and see, he's fine. Eventually you want to do it so that your hands are basically touching the wall, so I'll demonstrate real fast.
Just hurt your wrist. As you can see here, he is almost parallel with the wall perfectly. And then he goes, whee!
Now, once you start getting good at walking yourself up the wall and holding it for a little bit, you want to get to the point where you can very gently push your feet off the wall and hold it by yourself just for a few seconds and then fall back to the wall. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just gently pushing off my feet and holding it by myself for a half a second at a time and then falling back to the wall. Alright, so once you get better at pushing your feet off the wall a little bit and then falling back on, now it's time to actually try to do a handstand by yourself. So what you're going to do to start is put your arms up like this. So take whatever leg is your bad leg, put it up in front, and then you can put it down like a little lunge, and then kick up with your back leg, okay? So I'll show you. Leg in front, down, kick. When you first start, it's going to look kind of like this. You're not going to get all the way to handstand, but then after you do more and more, and you get more comfortable with it, you can kick up a little higher, and then actually go all the way up to handstand. Now, a few little tricks to help yourself from falling forward or backward is by using your shoulders, elbows, and wrists to help you balance. So if you start falling forwards, you want to use your hands and push your fingers down on the floor like this. And you also want to use your shoulders if you start falling backward the opposite way, stomach first. You can bring your shoulders in front of your hands and it'll help you balance and stay up. Thank you guys for watching. We hope that you liked this video and that it was useful for you. Oreo?
Oh yes, please.
Always make sure to eat healthy while you're doing gymnastics. Alright, so like I said again, subscribe to my channel, Alex Ward Flip. Like this video, comment down below, stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye, Max.